Okay, so another unboxing video. Couple things that I had to just pick up from my old apartment. So I forgot to change my gift wish list address to my new apartment. Luckily, I'm not that far, so it's within walking distance, which is great. So this is from that wish list thing. Pretty sure. Send a thank you. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so this is battery string lights, little globes. They were on my wish list. That would be fun to put together. Hopefully like this. It's just from Amazon. And oh, there's a remote. Oh, that's fun. That would be nice. So these might replace the fairy lights that I have in my room. I'm gonna put them out here. I don't know. Let's see what I feel like doing. And then the other one is actually from my Nana for my birthday, which is coming up. I have an Amazon wish list, by the way. If any of my 8 subscribers want to get me something, I have updated the address. I will get them at the new apartment. My landlord is not, or my old landlord is not super happy to still be receiving packages at the old address or someone that doesn't live there anymore. Don't blame him, but this one just goes to my Nana. Probably forgot to update the address in her Macy's profile, but she got us a skillet for my birthday. I asked for it because my partner and I have been wanting one for a while, and we just never got around to getting one, so this is nice. So yeah, when she asked me, oh, what do you want, I was like, oh, well, yeah, skillet. That sounds great. So that's it. It's a short one. There might be another one later today because I am expecting a package from Yes Style that has skincare, makeup, beauty. Oh, this is multiple skillets. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. So if you want a skillet from Macy's, you can get a little package of skillets. There's a little baby one! Ah, it's so cute! I could make a Dutch baby, maybe. And then a medium-sized one. Oh, I thought I was only getting 1 skillet. I'm getting 3. So I have to send my Nana a thank you text, but also gently remind her to update the address in her contacts that she has for me. And then this is the normal size one. So it's a good skillet. These seem decent. So Macy's definitely has iron skillets. This is a brand is called General Store.
Definitely a house brand.
It's just like yeah, standard little cast iron skillets, I guess. Cool. So that's it for me. Like I said, there's probably another one later, so I'll upload this and then wait for that. Bye.